Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the programming code on your Honeywell or your TrueBolt keypad lock in 2026 step by step. So first of all, what you need to do is, as you can see, I have this TrueBolt lock and this Honeywell lock available over here. So first you need to enter into the current programming code. So in many new locks, the default code would be 12345 6. So you need to simply press the unlock button or the programming button in order to continue. Now after doing so on the keypad, you just have to simply press 0. Then you just have to press the unlock button or the programming button in order to continue further. Now after doing this, you just have to simply enter the new 6-digit programming code and re-enter the new code in order to confirm it. Now once it is successful, once you have successfully added or added the new code that you want to set, the lock is going to basically beep once and it will also flash the green light. So when it does, it is a confirmation that the new programming code is saved successfully. Now before finish, you need to make sure that you test the new programming code and make sure that the old code no longer works and the door also keeps opening during the testing. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.